Okay, so a lot of the times when you're working with percentages, you're wanting to find a percentage of something. And you'll see in the wording of the question, find 15% of 35. What does the word of mean? If I want times, good. Yes. Whenever you see the word of, it means that you want to multiply. So the 15%, a percentage is always out of 100. We write that as 15 over 100. Of means times, and I want to times it by the 35. Okay, so let's type that in. 15 over 100 times by 35. Okay, it gave me a fraction, but because this is in dollars, it doesn't make sense to have a fraction. I'm going to turn that into a decimal, so it is $5.25. So that equals $5.25. So if you were in a shop and you got a 15% discount on something that cost $35, you'd be saving yourself $5.25, right? Let's try another one. I want to find 45% of 80. So the percentage is always out of 100, is divided by 100 to make it a fraction. Of means times by the 80. Okay, type it in, 45 over 100 times by 80. This time it's a nice whole number. That is equal to 36. Now 36 what? 36 kilograms. So 45% of 80 kilograms is 36 kilograms. So it's going to be very repetitive, same thing over and over again, because I want you to memorize this technique. 23% means 23 over 100. Percentages are out of 100. Of means times by $74.30. You guys type it in. What do you get? It's money again, so we'll have to go to a decimal. Two decimal places for money. The reason we always do two decimal places for money is because we can do down to 1 cent. I know we don't have 1 cent coins anymore, but electronic transfers can do 1 cent. So two decimal places. So what is that to two decimal places, Josh? Was that you that told me the answer? Or was it okay? It was 0.9. Yeah, good. So that's 2DP because it's money. All right, and then there's one wordy question here, but it is doing the same thing. It's just trying to disguise the question a bit more with the words that are in there. So it says about 80% of the mass of the human body is water. If Carla weighs 60 kilograms, how many kilograms of water make up her body weight? 80% of her is water. So 80% means 80 over 100 of the 60 kilograms. Type that in. Anyone have an answer? Yeah. Okay, so 48 kilograms is water and the rest is whatever else. Okay, so you can get if you are finished the first section, then you can start on this next page, which is just finding the percentage worksheet. It is just over and over and over the same thing. Put the percentage over 100 times by the amount.